Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will review the Dr. Alvin Kojic acid soap. Please stay tuned for the review. Thanks for staying. According to what's written on the pack of the soap, the Dr. Alvin Kojic acid soap claims to be formulated using premium grade kojic acid to help bear a healthier, radiant, lighter skin underneath. They went on to say that this Dr. Alvin Kojic acid soap is proven safe and effective to soften and reveal an even skin tone by gently smoothing away dead skin cells, dark spots, discoloration, and other skin blemishes. In addition, they said the soap is clinically proven to whiten skin as early as 3 days. Lastly, it is written boldly on the pack of the soap that it is a professional skincare formula dermatologically tested. And that's all for the overview of the soap. Now let's move over to the user review section where we will hear what the actual users of the Dr. Alvin Kojic acid soap are saying about it. The first user I have here said, "I use this for my whole body. The best thing I have ever used in my life." Okay. The next user said, "The soap is the best." Okay. The next user said, "That's what I also use. Very good." Okay. The next user said, "The soap is very good." Okay. The next user said, "I have been taking it for 3 days now. My face is covered with rashes and itching. What should I do?" Okay. The next user said, "Highly recommended." Okay. Then the last user review I have said, "I use the Kojic. I love it. I don't pot. The soap is very effective and does its work." All right. So those are the user reviews. Now, the first thing I want to talk about this soap, what I want to first say about this soap is that this soap is not getting the hype it deserves at all. It's not getting the hype it deserves. Dr. Alvin Kojic acid soap is a product that delivers all that it claims it can do, and it even goes beyond a user's expectation. Dr. Alvin Kojic acid soap works for pimples. It can clear dark armpits, dark spots, dark elbows, dark ankles, dark knees, dark neck, just anything hyperpigmentation on the skin. Just leave it for this Dr. Alvin Kojic acid soap. This soap also takes care of discoloration and uneven skin tone. It will blend your skin complexion very well. But there is a way to use it so that you can get all the benefits of this soap, and it's simple. Just wet the soap and rub it all over your body, paying more attention to the problematic areas like the dark armpits, dark knees, feet, neck, and just the areas where you have dark spots and pimples, those areas where you're really more concerned about clearing discoloration or hyperpigmentation from. As you're rubbing all over your body, concentrate more on that area. Then leave it on your skin. Leave the soap on that you have rubbed all over your body. Leave it on your skin for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then go ahead to bath and wash it off. After you have left it for 2 to 3 minutes, bath and wash it off. If you use it like this consistently, within a short period of time, you begin to notice improvement on your skin and on those areas that you wanted to remove discoloration or hyperpigmentation from. Now, even though this soap is very good in taking care of skin blemishes, it is not everybody that can use it. People who have very sensitive skin that react to kojic acid may not be able to use this soap. If they use this soap, they may experience side effects like rashes, itching, burning or stinging sensation on their face and body, and also redness also. So to be on the safe side, if your skin is sensitive but you would like to use this soap, before using it all over your body, when you get the soap, before using it all over your face and your body, first do a skin patch test by rubbing it, that's rub the soap on a small area of your arm. Then wait for some minutes and observe how you feel on that spot where you rubbed the soap. If you feel any irritation like itching or burning, then you know that you cannot use the soap. That's what that sign is telling you. But if you don't feel any irritation on that spot where you rub the soap, then you are good to go with the soap. Then the other issue with this soap is that because it is an exfoliating soap as well, it may dry out some skin type, especially dry skin and some normal skin. It may dry out some skin type. So what you should do is just moisturize very well after using it. People with oily skin may not have that problem, but other skin types may feel very dry after using the soap. So just moisturize very well. Then apart from these two issues of sensitive skin and skin drying, Dr. Alvin Kojic acid soap is dope, and I highly recommend it. It is very, very good for treating skin blemishes. It's very good. Then another thing to take note about this soap is that it dissolves very fast. So after using it, try keeping it in a dry and airy place. Yeah. And then if you're on a budget, you're trying to manage in order to make it last longer for you, you can cut it into maybe 2 or 3 pieces and use one after the other. That way it will last longer for you. And remember, keep it in a dry and airy place because it dissolves really, really fast. And that brings me to the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.